What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you want to hang a work light on your wall, check out this. I just picked this up. It's my COVMAX, and it's an LED work light, but it's a wall sconce as well. And I've never had this before, so I thought I would check it out. Comes in bubble wrap here. We do get a micro USB cable, as well as this little S-looking clip here. But here is the COVMAX flashlight, LED work light. It's all plastic construction. It's pretty cool. It kind of looks like a Tonka toy. It's got this nice foam handle right there. It's very grippy. You can see the cuts in it. Plastic all up here. You can see the COB, the emitters on the board right here. So you should get a really nice amount of light output. On the back here, what we have are some plastic feet right here. They're not rubberized, so they won't give you a really good grip, but it'll allow it to sit off the deck. You can see the power button right there. And I knew that was going to happen to shine in my face. You can see the 4 LED lights, and I will show you these different modes, which you're getting a little preview of. And then open it up like this. You can see all the little stops in there, so I can angle this up or down horizontally like that. And then what we have here is an inset piece, and so it might be a little hard to see, but I can separate these just like this. And now what we have is kind of like a little A stand, so that I can stand the sucker up, give it a little height. That looks like it'll give it about 5 or 6 inches off the deck, just like that. The other thing you can do here, now that we have it open, is charge this little bad boy. So we have a little rubber door there. You have a USB port right here so that you can use it like a power bank. You have the micro USB plug right there so that you can charge the sucker up. And if I close it all the way up, what you might be able to see here is this little S-clip now. Looks like I can open these up. I can slide it in this little recessed spot right there, kind of this thin end, right in there like this. And now if I close this, what we have here is a little hook. So I could hang this on the wall or on a little lip on the edge of my toolbox, whatever it might be. And I can have it work like a wall sconce. And then I'll show you the modes here. So I'm going to hit this button on the back, and we get this bright light output. Very bright. Very bright. And then if I hit it again, it goes down to a lower mode. If I hit it one more time here, we get an SOS. And then if I hit it again, we get kind of a slow strobe. So, how does this thing work? So I'm out in my garage, and I just opened up the carb, so the internal light is on, but now you can't see anything. It is totally dark out here, and I wanted to show you the power of this light, so I'm just going to hit it there, and boom, it is bright. Like this is a light that lights up the entire garage. You can see the cars over there. That's kind of crazy. Just think about this light accompanying you while you are working on your car, and if you are in regular daylight, it's going to be that much easier. But man, this thing is amazing. And you can put it in any position you want, right? So I can put it flat down, have it facing up. I can angle it down. I can put it on its little tripod so that I can set it up vertically. And then I'm going to flip this all the way to the back here, because that little hook that we saw on the back allows me to say, go up to something like this and hook it right in that opening. Just like that. Look at that. Now I have a light completely out of the way, and it's working like a sconce installed on my car. Or I can install it on the wall or my pegboard or anything like that. This light is pretty awesome. I think this is going to make my garage work easier than ever. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out. Peter Von Panda here. If you're one, oh man, why is this so hard?